Should you repair your old car or buy the new one? Interesting question. This is depends of your attitude. If you want to continue driving around on your old car, maybe you have sentimental value for your old car. Yes. Answer more clear than it should be. You want to repair your old car and you're never going to buy a new car. But probably if you, like my wife's uncle, he said that he want to buy new car every 5 years. Wow, wow. And I think that he right a little bit because recently I asked which uh, which you prefer from cars, rear wheel drive or front wheel drive? And he answered that he prefer rear wheel drive. And I know that his cars front wheel drive cars. And I said about it to him, and he answered that his car rear wheel drive, but I know that his car front wheel drive. And probably main part of each car body. Now car body not like in olden days, the frame and body. Now they welded together as one unit. And this old car also as a one unit frame and body welded together. So main thing body condition. You can replace each parts. Even engine as a complete unit you can replace. But you can't replace body. New body, new car. There is no body, rusted body, there is no car. In winter they want to spread salt on the road, anti-freezing compounds. They spread them on the highways. You know about that. And thing is, if your car very, very rusty, maybe reasonable idea to buy a new car. But also, I want to repeat sentimental value of car. If your relatives before you drive this car, probably this is more valuable for you than just transportation, than just car for driving from one to another point. This is just value. And this also important moment. You can't sell your car if it was your car from your relatives a lot of time. And how often you change your car? I'm really interesting. Probably each couple years. Average guy buy Toyotas. He driving. He really satisfied this quality of Toyotas, Hondas. 5 years maybe will be enough for average car. Average guy prefer to buy Toyotas and driving a lot of time. In our days, Hondas, Toyotas, very reliable cars. And when we touch this question more deeper, money, this question always should be on the surface. So which car we prefer, new car, repairing old car, and I think that a lot of gasoline consumption also, which gas mileage. I want to say that for me, very important to save money on car, on buying car. When you buying car, you spend a lot of money. But can you imagine how lot of gasoline you can buy for this money when you buy new car? You can buy a lot of gasoline for decades. What more better for you? If you like my uncle of my wife, it's badge of honor to buy a new car and driving around on new car. And he said me all the time when he just approached to garage, he say that I'm stupid, that I'm continue repairing my cars will be better to buy than your car. This is just his character. And uncle don't want to messing with old car, but in olden days he sold his old car for my father-in-law. Yes, and just for me, it will be better to repair old car. You can save a ton of money if you repair car by own hands. You're not needless to go these mechanics. A lot of cheaters. Among mechanics, a lot of cheaters. And you have no needleness to go dealer stations. A lot of cheaters on dealer stations. They want to sold you a lot of stuff which you not need really. Even if you go to do something under warranty. So my answer, if you want to save money, will be better to repair old car if it in good condition, body in good condition, you can repair it. But if it's really old bucket is an old bucket. You don't want to waste your money to repair your car. Maybe a classic car, it's a lot of money for repair old rusty car body. Very expensive in repair. Welding, very expensive. Yes, you can replace parts, but if your car rusty, this will be very expensive repair. Thank you for listening.